Bettina, Carey here again. It's evening now, and I am with my final speaker to introduce to you tonight. I'm the founder of We Empower You Global Virtual Summit and the website known as weempoweryourlife.com. And I'm here tonight with Deborah Ivanoff, who's going to be speaking at the summit. And I'm so excited that we have you back because I tell you, when we first met, it would be dating us a little bit. Back in 2008, you spoke to one of my very first summits. I think it might have been my second summit. And so it's so great that the Facebook has brought us back together again. And of course, you asked, hey, can I speak at the summit? I'm like, absolutely, no hesitation whatsoever. Hi there, Deborah. Great to have you here.
Hi, Bettina. So good to be here, and I'm really looking forward to this summit.
Yes, me too. So this is our fourth summit. It's going to be on March the 10th, and we're going to be a 12-hour day. And I want folks to get a little bit of a taste of who you are, if you can explore with us a little bit about you, and then what the topic is that you're going to be speaking about. And then I will share more details about the summit.
Oh, great. Well, I am a business coach with a twist. And what I mean by that is that I help business people scale or get into new actions to make those changes when they're feeling stopped or stymied by dramatic emotions, overwhelm, procrastination, fear, sadness, shame.
Yeah.
And because of that, because I'm working with the emotions in a completely different way, I'm often called the being coach because we're looking at a very holistic approach: the mind, the heart, the body, and even that higher self or spirit, Bettina, which I
Yep.
think is such a wonderful thing to bring to our processes. Now, I'm going to be speaking about how to overcome emotional sabotage. And I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but I'm guessing you do. So many of us say, I don't want to feel this. I don't want to feel bad, or I don't want to feel angry, or I don't want to feel stopped. And I find that there's some very easy ways to help people by understanding what's really going on. Our emotions are not trying to fight against us. In fact, if we understand their language even just a little bit, they actually can be providing solutions for us. So that's what I'm really looking forward to, doing that breakout with people and explore that live with them.
Yes, self-sabotage is something that can be living in your mind for the rest of your life if you're not on top of it. I have to say, I'm so glad that I washed that one right out of my head.
A lot of
Being,
people have a difficult time washing it out of their head
yeah,
because it's so expressive in their emotions. And
yes,
that is what we're going to explore. Sometimes it's just like hitting your head against the wall. You can't get it out,
yeah.
right? But
And
the
the
emotions have
emotions are
that
tied.
key to
Yeah,
resolving it.
yeah. The emotions and the experiences, they're all tied together. And until you
All tied together.
tangle them, you can't really, separate yourself from that. So,
That's exactly right.
that's
That's exactly right. So I'm really
yeah.
looking forward to that.
Yes, I mean, we can't wait for folks to be able to be and do and have all that they have the capacity for in their human potential. And I
Absolutely.
think that you're just the woman to help them with that. So thank you so much for being a part
I'm
of
looking
the
forward to, you always have such an amazing caliber of participants in your summits, Bettina. I've been keeping an eye on you since we first met, and I'm really looking forward to playing.
Thank you. Thank you. So for those of you that are watching on Facebook, if you'd like some more details about the summit, go to weempoweryourlife.com, click on the summit tickets tab, and you'll be able to find out more information about how you sign up. It's just $17 for a 12-hour day. It starts at 8:30 a.m. It goes to 8:30 p.m. You might want to come for an hour, but you'll most likely stay for 12. So make sure you take a pencil to your calendar and just wipe everything else out of it. And you will be blown away by the talented speakers that we have, including Deborah, of course. And what I love about this summit is that we are providing content in 5 key areas of life. That's business, leadership, love, and life. And in addition to that, we are here to help you to shatter your revenue glass ceiling. This is a glass ceiling that sits on top of most people's heads. They're unclear about how to shatter it. We have dialed in on how to do this. I shattered my revenue glass ceiling in 2020 when everybody else was struggling to make it. I was actually breaking down that glass ceiling for the first time in my life, and it feels really good. And we're showing people how to do that. We're going to have a round of mentoring, a round of networking, 2 serious 45-minute breakout sessions, along with our keynote presenters, an opening invocation, a closing ceremony, music, and get up and dance along the way. It's going to be an awesome We Empower You Global Virtual Summit. And when I say global, I mean there are folks that are coming in from the Netherlands, from West Africa, Thailand, Germany, all parts of Canada, here in the United States, Emerald, Texas to Seattle, Washington. So you're not going to want to miss this summit. And I'm telling you, the best way to find out more details is to go on the weempoweryourlife.com website. Deborah, it's been so great to have you back here today and to spend a little bit of time with you exploring what you're going to be talking about at the summit. I'll see you at the summit.
I'll see you next week.